Baby Alive.
Hey Zoe, where are we going?
We're going to ToysRUs and my nose is stuffy.
Your nose is stuffy. Well, what's different about this ToysRUs?
It's ToysRUs. It's a ToysRUs Express, so it's super tiny.
Oh, so it's tiny ToysRUs.
Yeah, tiny, like itty bitty bitty ToysRUs.
Yeah, it's like the smallest ToysRUs I've ever seen. Hold on, I'm looking for the sign.
It's right over there.
Oh, I see it. Well, maybe it's focusing on the rain on the window instead of outside.
It's raining.
Sorry guys, I can't get it to focus on anything with the rain.
That's
there it is.
not
I see.
it. That's not it. That's not it. And that's
Look
it.
at this little tiny ToysRUs Express.
No, it's a ToysRUs outlet.
Oh, outlet.
I thought it was an
Have you guys
Express.
seen one of these before? Hey guys, we're inside the store. Oh my goodness.
Look, they have different ones. They're so pretty. Oh, this one's my favorite.
Ooh, that is pretty.
It's like slime, but they got funny and then they have slime suckers. It's this thing that.
This one what? Suckers?
Yeah, it's like jiggly slime.
Anyway, this is the size
Look how
of the
tiny.
store.
These would fit Baby Alives.
They would. Okay, what section is this?
The stuffed animal section. It's the most tempting section in the world.
This is very tempting. Zoe has a lot of stuffed animals. More than dolls even, right?
I have like probably like 300 stuffed animals.
Hatchimals, like animals. Is this the big one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one's the newest one. And it's a crystal
These are just a
nest.
lot of. Are these all different? Are these all different? Or get like
Love this doll. Someday I might get it.
Get it today.
Except it's not working right now. What did you do?
Little tiny ponies.
Oh, they're cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, I always wanted to get another one of these.
You're gonna put
Can we see
the
it?
camera.
I
If
wonder
you put
if
the
it'll
camera
work.
up there to it, put it
Oh my gosh,
straight
it
up to it.
works.
Put it straight up to it, all the way up.
It's not focusing really great, but I get the picture. Where did she go? Isn't that cool? Can I get it?
Mama, look how pretty the egg is.
That is really pretty.
That's just
That's really cool. Oh, and it comes with different movies. That's so cool. ToysRUs, we got to looking around and I found playable poo, slimy putty, and I thought I could use these in the baby's diapers. And we'll open it up and I'll show you. Okay guys, I got it open. Now we're just going to open it like this. Oh, it definitely looks and feels. Oh my goodness, it's really runny. Oh, this is sticky. It's not like putty I've seen before. It's more like slime. But we might be using these for some diaper surprises here soon.
Can I feel it?